Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove extra and unwanted language keyboard layout from Windows 10 or Windows 11. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type partial. Right click on the Windows partial and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy the first command and paste it and press enter. And now you will be see your PC language listed over here. You just need to copy the tag that you wanted language. In my case I want English language and Tamil language, so you need to copy the tag only like this. First you're gonna copy the English language tag, just copy with the Ctrl+C, and after that go back to command, and in second command you just need to leave space and paste the tag. And now you just need to give the comma and again give space and copy any other language tag you want like this. Just to copy it, copy with the Ctrl+C and paste with the Ctrl+V. After copying it, you just need to copy and paste this command in partial and press enter. And now you just need to press caps letter Y in keyboard and press enter. And after that you can able to see your selected language in your PC. We only selected English and Tamil, so that all other language has been removed in our PC. And that's how you remove unwanted language keyboard layout from Windows 10 or Windows 11. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.